Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn off your blind mode on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the blind mode is basically your voiceover mode that is turned on in your iPhone. So in order to turn it off, all you have to do is go to your settings. But if your phone is currently in the blind mode right now, you will might have to double tap into the app in order to open it. So after you have opened the settings, tap on accessibility. Again, you might have to double tap it because you are currently in the blind mode. And again, double tap on the option of voiceover right here. And here you can see currently my voiceover is turned off and I am not in the blind mode right now. Yours might look something like this. And all you have to do is simply double tap on the toggle button in order to turn it off, just like this. And you can see it is now turned off, and now you can use your phone however you like. You can swipe it up and down and your phone is not on blind mode anymore, and that is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.